Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'll be showing you quickly the right way to save your image for Instagram in 2022. You may have been doing it the wrong way or saving your images, and when you upload on Instagram, they will decompress it and make it look a different way than you saw it. But in this video, I will teach you how you are going to save your image and still retain your qualities. So this is our final image. First thing first, you are going to be cropping your image to 4:5 or 8:10 first, because when you don't crop it properly, Instagram tends to crop it, and by cropping it, they reduce the size of your image, same as reducing the quality. So 4:5, I think I like the cropping. I'll just leave it this way. Then what you have to do is go to your file, go to export, save for web legacy. So this does not only work for Instagram, it also works for any web. If you are uploading it on web, the image tends to retain the quality the way you saw it on your system. So this is the image. So when you start, make sure you choose JPEG, not PNG, not GIF. We are using JPEG. So you make sure the quality is in 100%. You can leave blur 0. So you click optimized and embed color profile. So by default, embed color profile will not be checked. So what you have to do is check it, then check convert to sRGB. By default, it should be, your own will be on monitor color, but you have to change it to color profile. So here is where the magic works. You will have to input 2000 pixel on the width, then allow the software to resize the image to a fit that will be okay for Instagram. So it will also change the megabyte, change from 14 megabytes to 3 megabytes. So for a faster speed loading, you will have to change your download time to 1.5. So this does not affect the quality, rather it is the number of seconds it will take the image to load on any web platform. So when you're done with this, you just click save and save your image as JPEG. And that is it, guys. So anywhere you post your image, it will still retain both color and details. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do well to give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share to your friends so that